Hey friends, welcome to Quiz with Jack. It's time for the ultimate squishy dumpling challenge 2026. In every round, you'll choose just one squishy dumpling. By the end, you'll have your dream collection. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's pick your first squishy dumpling box. Here's your lucky squishy. Pick your favorite squishy. Watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support keeps us making more awesome mystery quizzes. Which squishy did you pick? Comment below. Which dumpling box would you choose? Congratulations! You earned it! Would you rather have a hot dog squishy or a jelly squishy? Can you find your lucky squishy? Well done! You got it! Which squishy doesn't belong? Here's the odd one. Choose your favorite dumpling box. That's your surprise! Where is your lucky squishy? Love quiz challenges? Hit that subscribe button. You got it! Trust your instinct. Congratulations! You earned it! Which dumpling box would you choose? Well done! You got it! Pick your favorite squishy. Which squishy did you pick? Comment below. Don't miss our next quiz. Subscribe now.